So let's try to solve this problem. Remove duplicates from sorted array. Now this problem is very similar to the previous problem or the next problem, which is remove element. So basically what this problem is, you are given an array and a value and you're supposed to remove all the occurrences of that value. But in the current problem, you need to do the same thing, except that you need to remove duplicates instead. So each element can occur only once, and any duplicates of it is the value that you're supposed to remove. And thankfully for us, these are sorted, so that makes it easier, meaning numbers appear only once, and you don't have to worry about one occurring again in some time later in the array, and two occurring again some time later in the array. So all occurrences of this number will be exactly around it. So this is the problem. So let's just try to read the problem and understand it a little bit better. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Cannot change the order, and then return the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that first k elements of nums contain the unique elements in order they will present in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of the nums, and return k. So in this example, remove all the duplicates. Once you do that, return the size of the array without the duplicates, which is 5 here. So now let's just go to the previous problem discussion that we had in my previous video. So in my previous video, we discussed about the remove element problem, which the code for which is here, right here. So this is the Python code. So let's just say remove element given nums. So basically you initialize k. K is the number which is you need to return the number of unique elements without the val. So this was our previous problem where we needed to remove all occurrences of val. In this case, we need to remove all the occurrences of all the duplicates. So let's take this example here, and so this problem is remove duplicates from sorted array, which is important. From sorted array. So that is important, and let's just try to explain or analyze it once more. So let's, if this is the number 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 4, we cannot have 0. So if we go one by one, we cannot have 0, we cannot have these two ones, not this. So let's just initialize one pointer I here. So again, the concept used here is two pointers concept. This is the topic, and So you can just click on topics, and so array and two pointers, these are the two topics. And just initialize I here and k here. So is the next element same? So let's move a to here, and k has been assigned. So is this element same as the previous one? Yes. So we will not be including that. Let's go to the next one. It is same? No. So k will come here and 1 will come here. And is this the same? Yes. This is also the same, so we'll not be including that. Is this the same? No. So 2 will coming here, and k will come here. Is this the same? Yes. So we will not be adding that. Moving on. Is this the same? Yeah. No. So k will be coming here. Now moving on. Is this the same? Yes. So we will not add it. Is this the same? Yeah. It's no. So let's add that, and k will come here, and we have reached the end of the array, and we'll also increment the k ones, meaning k is now 5, which is exactly what the size of the array is, and anything beyond does not matter. So after doing this, we are left with 2 2 3 3 4, which none of that matters. So this is the code. Now let's try to code this one. The only changes that you need to make from this code is let's try to write it down. Now writing the code is kind of a good habit, because in interviews like the Google interview, you're not given an editor. You will be coding in Google Docs. Now sometimes interviewers also give you just whiteboard, so it's better to write code without any IDE. So let's try to write the code in Python. So definition of the function, remove loops, and sorted array. We're given nums. So now let's just try to initialize k to 1 here. So k is the value we will be returning. Why is that? Because first value we will already be including first value anyway, because it will be unique, and so we will start k from the second place. So we'll be starting k from here. So for I in range of, that was a bug, for I in range of 1 to length of nums if nums of I is not equal to nums of I minus 1, meaning it's unique. Only then are we going to put the value of k of I. Also increment k by 1. So we will only be including it if it's not equal to the value next to it. So that's the algorithm that we did here, and that's the code for that, and that's about it. That's the code, and it works. You can type it in Leetcode, and this is the best implementation for that problem. And as you can see, there's very less changes from the previous problem where we needed to remove the occurrences, all the occurrences of a value. So we have removed all the occurrences of this value here, here we have removed all occurrences of duplicates in this sorted array, so which is why the code is the same. So that's about it, and let's meet in the next video, I guess, if I make